Are your operators overly comfortable and complacent in their daily work? Do they often perform repetitive tasks they've mastered over the years? While experience is valuable, it can lead to overconfidence and complacency, increasing the risk of accidents. To mitigate these risks, regular monitoring is crucial in ensuring everyone maintains a safe working environment. Let's explore common habits of overconfident forklift operators and how consistent monitoring helps prioritize safety for all. Forklift operators engage in repetitive tasks as part of their daily responsibilities. However, this repetitive nature can lead to complacency and a false sense of comfort regarding the associated risks. When operators feel overly familiar with their job, they tend to develop unsafe habits, which then become the norm. If these practices persist without consequences, the operators may lose sight of the potential severity of accidents. It is crucial to provide ongoing reinforcement of best practices and emphasize the risks of serious injuries, legal repercussions, substantial fines and costly damages that can arise from non-compliance. To ensure safety, regular forklift training should be conducted on site. It is generally recommended to conduct assessments at least once a year or more frequently if needed. Regular assessments can help identify any developing bad habits or unsafe practices and allow for timely corrective actions to be taken. Additionally, ongoing monitoring and periodic refresher training sessions can also contribute to maintaining a high level of safety awareness among forklift operators. What are the responsibilities of managers who supervise lift truck operations? Did you know that according to PUA regulations, it is required for all supervisors overseeing lift truck operations to receive proper training? RTITB managing and supervising MHE operations e-learning is an ideal solution for individuals aspiring to managerial or supervisory roles within a forklift or MHE environment. It is also beneficial for those already in such positions, as it enhances their understanding of their responsibilities. Regardless of the tasks performed or the experience of forklift operators, it is the duty of managers to consistently monitor their performance and prioritize safety on site. By ensuring operators remain aware of the risks they face, managers play a crucial role in accident prevention, regardless of whether the task is being performed for the first or 100th time. As a manager in an MHE environment, ensure operators work efficiently. Here are some strategies you can employ to prevent complacency. Set clear expectations on productivity, quality, and safety. Establish SMART goals for each operator and provide regular feedback. Monitor performance through observation, KPI tracking, or technology like MHE telematics. Provide comprehensive training on equipment, standard operating procedures, and safety. Empower operators to contribute and involve them in decision-making. Recognize and reward exceptional performance. Offer feedback, coaching, and performance improvement plans. And promptly address any slacking or performance issues with empathy and support. For more information about identifying and reducing key risks on site, get in touch with our team of experts at 4KS Forklift Training. Whether you have questions, need guidance, or require assistance with risk management strategies, we are here to help. We value your safety and look forward to assisting you in creating a risk-aware workplace.